Alright, here we have the GE air conditioner. I believe it's technically called a PTAC unit, but I can't recall right now. Here we have the GE air conditioner. Right now it's running the fan. This is in my hotel room down in Troy where I've been staying the past 2 weeks. And since I'm checking out today, I thought I'd film it before I go. The unit, as you can see, is controlled by a thermostat on the wall over there. And I'm going to see if I can get it to run, because the last time I attempted to make this video, it decided not to start. So I'm going to take down the temperature and show y'all it running. Or just want to cooperate again. Let's do that. I think it detected. Hey, it's like. Let's see what the temperature is set to. There it goes. I had to drop it all the way to 60 before it even decided to get going. But anyways, closer look at it. See, it's running. Right over here is the original controls. As you can see, it's got this unit's controlled by wall thermostat on it now, and GE logo right there. The original controls are under there. I would show you, but this thing's broke up here and I don't want to stand it any further. But yeah, it's just kind of neat. Right down here is where flashing would have been, but as you can see, that's missing. Just a little look at this thing. But yeah. I have to put up all my cables off, make sure I grab that, but just thought I'd show y'all this. We'll probably shut it back off. But yeah, just show y'all this thing running for a minute. But yeah, gonna be heading home this evening, so this will probably be one of the last videos to be uploaded, so y'all probably won't see it for a little while. But this is being recorded on August 3rd of 2019 at about 8:03 in the morning. Actually, that clock's like a few minutes slow, so it's probably about 8:08 if I had to guess. So yeah, I'm gonna go shut it off real fast. And now it's just run the fan. Let's all showcase real fast. So yeah, just this little GE air conditioner that I had in my hotel room. Showing y'all before I head back on. Over and out.